Some calls are worth waiting for. And when US Secretary of State Marco Rubio dialed both Pakistan and India, he had one motive: to calm the escalating feud. With Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth also taking the same route, the US made its stance clear. America stands with India in its fight against terrorism. The US sought to dial down tensions as Secretary of State Marco Rubio got on call with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. The two leaders discussed the fragile situation with Pakistan in the wake of the deadly assault that claimed 26 lives in Pahalgam. Rubio expressed sympathy for the victims and stressed the importance of taking steps to prevent further conflict. The US urged India to keep lines of communication open with Pakistan while also assuring full support to the grieving nation. But India did not soften its stance. Jaishankar was firm in his resolve to bring the perpetrators to justice and called on Pakistan to take responsibility for its support of terrorism. At the same time, Rubio called for joint cooperation between India and Pakistan in the investigation. Later that day, the defense secretaries of both nations held a critical conversation. US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth expressed his condolences to India's Rajnath Singh after the Pahalgam attack. Rajnath Singh did not mince his words, outlining Pakistan's long history of supporting terrorism, accusing it of training, funding, and harboring extremist groups. He called Pakistan a rogue nation which fuels global terrorism and destabilizes the region. He reiterated that the world can no longer turn a blind eye to terrorism. By the end of both conversations, Rubio and Hegseth made one thing clear: the United States stands firmly with India and fully supports its right to defend itself. Rubio also reached out to Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, urging him to condemn the brutal Pahalgam attack, but the Pakistani PM pushed back, accusing India of engaging in escalatory and provocative behavior. He called on Rubio to pressure India to tone down its rhetoric and act responsibly. The US stance is the only nation so far to reach out to both Pakistan and India, attempting to calm the soaring tensions. But there's an important factor that many may have overlooked. While Washington expressed clear support for India, it refrained from directly criticizing Pakistan.